Back on the home page, let's take a look now at the Assisted Living Facility Comparison tool. Again, we'll go to the red Compare button and click Assisted Living Facilities. We see the map of Florida, and again, we can search by county, city, region, name, zip, nurse availability, special programs and services. This includes a mix of both recreational and therapeutic services. So we have pet therapy, speech therapy, we have massage and spa, and so also activities. This includes cooking classes, dancing, lots of recreational activities here. So let's search, let's pick a county. I'm going to pick a bigger one. Let's pick Miami-Dade and click View Results. So the first thing to notice on our results screen is the time period. It's a little different for assisted living facilities. This is because each provider type has a different reporting schedule. So for assisted living, we can see this is a rolling 5-year window. That means that whatever day you come to search with this tool, your results will be shown from yesterday back 5 years. So we can see this is taken from January 14th, 2015 through January 13th, 2020, yesterday. And then in the first column, we can see the name of these facilities listed alphabetically. Second column, this has the bed size for that provider. The next column shows the number of substantiated complaints during this time frame. Then the number of sanctions and final orders, any fine amounts, the total number of deficiencies during this time, and those deficiencies are broken out by class type. That refers to severity. Then the nurse availability can be compared, the number of special programs and services, and activities. If these are included, you can hover over the number shown and a floating menu will appear that lists those activities or services. So you can see a difference with the assisted living comparison tool versus, for example, the nursing home comparison tool, which uses stars. The assisted living tool does not. It uses numerical values. But otherwise, the tools are laid out in a similar way, side by side, and you can export these results to Excel, or you can click any of the provider names here to visit those providers' profile pages.